My late husband's body would convert the food he ate to alcohol and he would become legally intoxicated. My name is Michelle Giannato, Vice President, Patient Advocate for the nonprofit Brewery Advocacy. I wanted to give you guys a little tip on what you should have readily available if an ambulance needs to come to your home. This is something an EMT told me when they came to my house to take my husband to the hospital in an emergency. One of the things that I struggled with is to gather all of our important information, list of medication, medical cards, what medications he was on, which he was no longer taking, all that. So the EMT that came to my house said, just put an envelope on your refrigerator, because if you were unconscious, that's the first place we look for this red envelope. And I was really confused, and she showed me, and I was like, wow, that's a great idea. Let me show you. This is what I have for myself. It's a plastic envelope, and inside is all my medical information, my list of medications, what I'm taking, what I'm not, my list of surgeries, everything I need, so that in the event of an emergency, I just grab and go. I also have the same thing in my car, in the glove box, and when my husband was alive, I had the same in his car. And I had my stuff, his stuff in that same envelope, so that in the event of an emergency, I just grabbed the envelope and I jumped in the ambulance, or I jumped in my car, already had it in my car. So this is something really good to take with you in an emergency. I also had, for my husband, a case study with the information about auto brewery syndrome in there. So if you're a caretaker for someone who may be ill, or even if they're not ill, they have an extensive medical history, make that document, put it in the red envelope, put medical information. You can even put their name on the outside if you have to. This way, you're always ready to go. And I also put a copy of my medical benefits card in there as well, so that I'm not fumbling in the event of an emergency looking for the information. It came in really handy a couple of times. I hope that helps.